Hello world, hello boys, hello girls, hello students, hello our parents, hello to our clients, hello to everyone. Thank you. We are very, very grateful for how much so much interest you have in our videos, for your support, for your recommendations. We are grateful. We are grateful. We really, really love you, love you. And for students who have been, throwing in comments, you know, telling us how much they enjoy, how much they've learned from our videos. We are very, very grateful for giving us those feedbacks. It makes us do more. Thank you very much, and we assure you we'll keep doing more. We keep doing more for you. Come watch me. We keep doing more. Quickly today, okay, before we go to today's topic, we want to say it again. Should in case you have a need to reach us or for any reason, for our online classes, for our physical classes, EduAida is much available and the team members. So we are much available. Kindly reach us on the numbers you've known before, but let's say it again just in case we have a new uh, person in the house. So kindly reach us on 081648694, then you have 70. You can reach us on this. Reach us via WhatsApp, reach us on Telegram, reach us by call. Thank you for being there. Thank you. Quickly, we go to today's topic, which is estimation. What is estimation as a topic? Is a topic in mathematics that we do either as mathematicians or non-mathematicians. We do it every day. In the market, we estimate the prices you spend in buying materials, in buying certain things. When you go out, ship things outside the country, you do estimations of the things you procure. So quickly, we're going to be talking about estimation. What's estimation? It is making a guess of the nearly correct calculations and distances, weights, prices, or capacity of things without the actual measurement or calculations. Estimation helps us to have a rough idea of the answer when we add, we subtract, we multiply, we divide. So you have an idea of what you are doing. Like if you say, okay, you have 24 divided by 7, because the estimate value should be around 3 point something. That is an estimate. You can say around this region, the answer will fall in this region. So that's what estimation is. There's something about estimation. Sometimes rounding off an approximation are used in making our estimations. So two things are very, very important when we do estimation: the rounding off and the approximation. Those are the things we'll be facing. Yes, while we are approximating, we also talk about those things. So quickly, let's do some examples. Now we talk about estimation. For example, we're talking about the mass of my friend is 200 kilograms. Just giving a value of your friend's mass. The distance of the school from my house is this and this is 3 kilometers. The weight of a teacher stable is 500. So you are giving us a value, a range. At times you may not be sure, so that is an estimate. Now distance between 2 points we call measured in meters. While dimension is single aspect of a given. Okay, now let us boss with the story part. Let's go to example straightforward. Before you can carry out our estimation properly, there are some things we call the fundamental units. For example, you should know the relationship between meters and centimeters. You should know the relationship between kilometers and meters. You should know the relationship between centimeter cube and liters. You should know for distances, meters, centimeter, kilometer, millimeters. For capacity, you have the liters, centiliters, the centimeter cube. That's how you measure things in form of capacity. How much a quantity a body can contain, how much substance it can contain. Then you now talk about time, relationship between minutes and seconds, between hours and minutes, between days and weeks, between weeks and months, between months and years. You should be to interrelate them together. So just basic formula that you need to know. And those things, once you know that, you can do your estimation at any time. Now let's start with distance. Basically, we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So because you know this, if you are told to estimate 300 centimeter in meters, you can easily do that. So, with the help of your cross multiplication, which is something not every student know, but it's something it's very easy. That's why I would advise students always make this up, because when you do anything on estimation, proportion, your cross multiplication method, even if you call it, even if it's a crude approach, it's very useful. It's very useful. Know it. Anytime you are working in mathematics, you can easily use it to solve your problems. So if you are told now to express 300 centimeters in meters, all you have to do, write 300 centimeter under the 100 centimeter, then equate it to, you don't know what it is in mathematics, we are fond of looking for x. I write x meter here. So I don't know. Now you can solve. All you have to do, like I said before, cross multiply. What does that mean? This one will multiply this. 1 will multiply 300. Then here 100 will multiply x. And the one you are looking for is the one you write first. So this part, we write this part first. If our x was here, we write this first part. This along this side, we write it first. So what do we have? We have 100 times. Check your times and x, they are not the same thing. Watch out for them. Make sure you are not writing the x the same way. This multiplication, this is x, is equal to 300 times 1. So 100 times x will give us 100 x. Once you have 100 x, 200 times 1 is 300. What are we looking for? We are looking for this x. So there's something we call the coefficient of the unknown. 100 is the coefficient of the unknown. It's one multiplying x. So whenever you have something multiplying x or y or z, any unknown or any variable you are looking for, use that very coefficient to divide the whole value. So you have 100 x, you divide this by 100, and this can be equal to what? 300. We also divide this side by 100. So what do you have? This goes, 3 divided by 1 is 3, this goes, 1 divided by 1 is 1. So 1 times x is x, and that becomes what? 3 divided by 1, that is 3. So x is 3 meters. Understood? Let's do something else. Let's see another example. If you are told to express, I've mentioned this 100 centimeters is equivalent to 1 meter, 1000 meters is equivalent to 1 kilometers, 10 millimeters is equivalent to 1 centimeter, and 1000 millimeters is equivalent to 1 meters. These are fundamental units that we should know. Let's solve 200 meters in kilometers. The first thing you ask yourself, what's the relationship between meter and kilometer? So once you know that, you can do your work. So you can say now this will give us 1000 meters is equivalent to 1 kilometer. Sorry. So now you have to express 2000 meters. Write this under this. Let me change the question. You have to express 2000 kilometers in meters. So what do you do? How many? 2000 kilometers in meters. So I will have my y meter here. I don't know how many meter will give me 2,000 kilometers. I said before, our cross multiplication method will be perfect, and this one cross multiply 2, cross multiply 2. So y times 1, that will be y, and that will be equal to what? 1,000 times 2,000. And what would that be? A y can be equals 1,000 times 2,000. That's 6 zeros. That is 2 million. I have 2 million. 2 million meters. So that will give us our answer. Let's leave that. If you are to also to convert from millimeters to meters, I'm giving you the relationship. Your 1,000 millimeters will give you 1 meter. Then 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. So you can do the same approach. You go. Let's deal with time. Time quickly. We don't have much time, so let's deal with time. If we have time now, we have to express. Let's say, let me write. We have to express 20 hours is equal to what? What minutes? So we want to know how many hours, how many minutes you give us 20 hours. 20 hours is equal to unknown minutes. Change it. First know the relationship between hours and minutes. What relationship? 60 minutes. Everybody knows this. 60 minutes will give us 1 hour. So it's equivalent to 1 hour. There you go. You don't have minutes here. Let me put Z minutes. That should be equal to, you want to change 20 hours to that. 20 hours. So what do you have? Cross multiply. So you have Z times 1. That can be equal to 60 times 20. And what would that give me? Z. Z times 1 is Z. And that will be equal to 6 times 12. 6 times 2 rather, 12. Then you put these 2 zeros. Out the 2 zeros. That's 1,200 minutes. You can change this back also to hours using the same approach. Let's look at the one for liters capacity. So 1,000 cm cube is equal to 1 liters. 1 liter rather, 1 liter. It's not in capital. So you have one. You are told to express say 30 liters is equal to dash centimeter cube. Let's me to write this again. It's not looking as it should look. So you have centimeter cube. So what do? You first write the relationship between liters and centimeter cube. Since 1,000 cm cube, that is centimeter cube, is equal to 1 liter. Then how many centimeter cube? Have x centimeter cube to be equal to what? 30 liters. Now you cross multiply. You still have your x times 1 will be equal to 1,000 times 30, and that will also be equal to, so x here, that will be 30,000. 30,000 cm cube. So you have this. Let's check another one now. Still under liters. You should note this, that 1000 cm cube is also equals to 1 dm cube, and that is why 1 dm cube is equals to 1 liters. Yes, 1 dm cube is equal to 1 liters. Let's say you are being told to express 1, okay, let me write 50 cm cube is equal to what dm cube. What do? You write the relationship between them. The relationship says that 1000 cm cube is equal to 1 dm cube. So 50 cm cube will be equal to what? How many dm cube? I don't know. Can write T there. T dm cube. Then what do? Cross multiply this, multiply this. You write the part you are looking for first. That is 1000 times T. 1000 times T. That will be equal to 50 times 1. And that will be 1000 T. That will be equal to 50. What do? Divide both sides by 1000. Divide each side by 1000. This will go. This will go. 1 0 cancel this 0. So your T will be equal to 5 upon 100, and that can be equal to, you check here, 5 here is 1, 5 here is 2, that's still equal to 1 upon 20. So you check 20 in 1, 20 in 1 is not possible. You have 0 point. When you put point here, you add 0 here, isn't it? Then this 0 will cancel this 0. You cancel this 0, I mean you have 1 upon 2. 2 in 2 is 0. Add 0 here. So you have 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So the answer will be 5 here. 0.05 dm cube. Do you get that? So on the note, we'll stop our estimation work here. Then we will see in the next video. Practice more questions. If you have questions for us, observations, make it know in the comment section, or you call us on our line 081 64869470. You can reach us mathematics with Edu Ada. Reach us anytime. So in case you will need your ward, your child, your student to be taught mathematics online, physical class, reach us on the same number. We are at your service. Thank you very much for your time. See you again in the next class.